This video is about 100% done for you AI business setup for you, and it is not going to be a $3,000 offer. In fact, this video will help you make money if you just learn from this video and implement what we are going to show you. And at the end, I will tell you what we have in mind for you with a 100% done for you setup. So a regular question, Mosh, if 100% is done for you, what is my job? Your job will be to play with this AI that I'm about to share with you. But before that, I have to tell you a story. You see this product launch listing. It was December 29th, 2020, end of the year, just before Christmas. We launched this product with a partner called Mario Brown, this exact product. And this software product did $100,000 in sales in just one day. And as far as I remember, it crossed over $300,000 in just 7 days. The number might be a little wrong, but I'm sure it was more than $250,000 in just 7 days. The question is why? Because this software platform was the solution to a huge problem. And the problem is so boring that rich entrepreneurs don't care about it. And beginners don't even bother about it. Rich entrepreneurs just pay the hefty fees. They don't care. And beginners are not even aware of the problem. Only the middle people who just started their journey as an entrepreneur, they're making money but not rich yet, are the people who are most interested in this. And another type of people were very interested, the agency owners or the people who wanted to launch an agency because they knew that this offer could be a crazy no-brainer offer for their client. And our customers of this software made tons of money selling their service to their customers. So what is this? I will explain you what this is. But before that, are you telling me that you haven't smashed the like button yet? Really? Come on! This is the best time to like this video. Smash the like button and share with your friends and family. This is a great video. There are lots of educational and valuable information in this video. And the algorithm will show this video to more and more people. And more people will get benefited from this. You see, we make these videos to help you learn and take an educated decision about what you should do in order to change and upgrade your financial condition. By just liking and sharing, you're helping others as well. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe. We have a goal of having 5,000 subscribers by the end of this month, and we cannot do it without your help. Go ahead, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and let's go. I have a bad news. Recently, we revamped this whole thing. We added new features. We made it even more no-brainer. We made it completely guaranteed to work, and it helped us generate $489,000. Can you imagine that? But when we took it to the market, we ran paid advertisements, showed this offer to the cold traffic. Literally nobody bought. It was a complete failure. No one is buying. That drove me completely nuts. I know how important this is as a software solution. I know if it is presented the right way, it will drive people nuts. They will jump on the offer and buy. So that made us thinking. The problem was in the sales copy. You see this written text? Problem is in the text. Most importantly, the problem is in the hook. The hook is so boring compared to what's happening in the world right now that no one has time to think about this problem. It's not even a problem for them. Okay, so what is this software? This software is a video hosting platform. And for beginners, it's not even a problem. It's not even something that you want to spend your money on. So I went back to AI and I started from the scratch. I asked AI, first tell me, what can one video do for your business? In how many ways one video can be used? So it gave me a long list. Videos make people notice you. Videos get more leads and customers. Videos turn views into money. Videos keep customers happy and buy more. You can use videos for marketing, like TikTok videos, YouTube videos. You can use videos for sales, like this video right here. If you run an online business, you must use videos. This is a sales video. And after sales, you deliver your course modules in the form of videos. But there is a problem. Most video hosting platforms work against you. YouTube is stealing your customers. Well, that's a long story. I have already explained this in this video. If you have time, watch. If you don't have time, forget about it for now. Just keep watching. Other video platforms charge huge monthly fees. For example, we pay $99 just to host a video. That's money out of your pocket. Videos do not allow you to capture leads or drive sales directly. If your videos play slow or get stuck, then you lose customers. And the platforms may delete your videos anytime if they want. VidCloud fixes all these problems. Video saves you money, protects your business, and even generate leads from within the video and help you make sales from within the video without using anything else. Interesting, right? Okay, now I went back and asked ChatGPT. Now this looks amazing, but it is still boring. There are so much buzz and interesting things out there. The people do not want to bother about this thing, but they have this problem. So I need to be able to hook my audience and make them go through the whole sales page, read the whole sales copy, and decide then and there. So I asked AI to act as an award-winning marketing consultant for companies like Apple. I specifically mentioned Apple because Apple came from Steve Jobs, who was one of the best marketers on the planet. Based on this, write an interesting copy for 5th graders and suggest 25 irresistible unique hooks that immediately hook the target audience. Write reasons for suggesting each, write the whole thing in a table, and use ratings out of 5. Now I got 25 new hooks. I want to read 3 of them for you. One of them that got highest rating for curiosity, urgency, and clarity is YouTube is stealing your customers and you are letting it happen. Why it works? It uses fear of loss and surprise to make people feel like they need to fix something right now. The most boring one is this: how to turn every video into lead generating money making machine. Although AI rated highest, but I know this is not going to work. Another boring one that AI suggested with high rating, but I know it's not going to work. Stop paying video hosting fees forever, but keep 100% control. This one is interesting. Every video you publish should make you money, but here is why most don't. This one is very interesting. Netflix spends millions to keep viewers watching. Here is how to do it for free. Here is one hook that's used on TikTok and it works. The number one mistake most people make with their videos, and here is how to fix it. Okay, you understand. I got 25 new hooks. It means now I can get AI write 25 different sales copies without me writing a single one, which means we are going to have 25 of these new sales pages. We can test all of them and find a winner. If we find one winner, that will make us another thousands of dollars. But I didn't stop there. I went to Grok 3, which is recently released. I put the same information here and the same prompt, and I got another 25 new hooks. Well, I'm not paying anything to copywriters, so I'm gonna get new copies written for these new hooks, probably get 50 new sales copies and test all of them. And what about pricing? I used Perplexity for deep research and I got a suggestion for pricing. Now don't worry, there is something interesting for you. If you are watching this video, you might get this for free, plus 100% done for you AI business setup. So stay tuned. Okay, now that you know that this is a platform that will help you make more money with videos, protect you from losing money, and you also know that you can just visit the sales page, read it, watch this video, and you can learn about this. And you also know that there is something coming for you where you can get it 100% free with 100% done for you AI business setup. Are we good? The problem is, in order to make money, you still need a couple of things. You need knowledge, you need guidance, you need tools, and you need offers. I'm trying to make it short, my friend. Listen, for knowledge, we will give you a course, a complete A to Z step-by-step course. For guidance, you will get our weekly coaching and a community. For tools, we're going to give you a software. You remember I told you that your job will be play with an AI software. That will be the tools, plus we will set up the whole business for you. Third, the offer. As I have just told you that we got 50 new hooks and we will probably come up with more and we will test all of them. whichever works as a winner, we will use it, drive traffic to it, make sales and make money. But you, my friend, are going to get it done for you. You do not have to worry about writing a sales copy, making a sales page, graphic design, testing with traffic. We are going to do everything for you, and you are going to take advantage of that. Let's have a conversation with the ChatGPT and explain it to you in a better way. This is going to be a live conversation. Hello, ChatGPT. Can you tell me what is the only job of a digital affiliate marketer?
Not at all. Digital affiliate marketing involves many tasks. Besides promoting products, you might create content, manage social media, analyze data, and build relationships. It's a dynamic role with a lot of variety.
All right. What if I told you that content creation is completely done for you with an AI application and all other technical works are completely done for you? What will be the remaining task for a digital affiliate marketer?
If AI and technical tasks are handled, the remaining focus would be on strategy, relationship building, and audience engagement. This includes choosing the right products, analyzing performance, and maintaining a personal connection with the audience. It's about adding a human touch and creativity that AI can't replicate.
What if choosing products, creating marketing materials, and how to engage with audience all are done for you? Then what is still remaining for the digital affiliate marketer?
In that case, the focus would shift to building and nurturing relationships, providing personalized support, and enhancing the customer experience. It would also involve analyzing results to refine strategies and staying updated on industry trends. It's about maintaining authenticity and keeping the human connection strong.
What if that also done for you with a coaching program, complete comprehensive course, and a weekly coaching calls and providing answers to the questions for the digital marketers? What will be the remaining work for digital affiliate marketer?
At that point, the digital affiliate marketer's main role would be to ensure that everything runs smoothly and to offer a personal touch. They'd focus on fostering genuine relationships, addressing unique concerns, and continuously refining strategies. It's about adding a human element that AI and automated systems can't replicate.
Did you mean the remaining job for the digital affiliate marketer would be coming back to the mentor or the consultant and addressing their problems?
Yes, exactly. The remaining job would involve maintaining communication with the mentor or consultant, addressing any issues, and ensuring that the strategies and systems are working effectively. It's about continuous improvement and adaptation.
And we are offering all these for our customers and the members of our programs. How do you think the program will help our members or customers?
Your program can significantly help members by streamlining their journey. With comprehensive support and tools provided, they can focus more on building authentic connections and understanding their audience. It reduces the technical barriers and lets them focus on creativity and personalization. This can lead to better engagement and success in their marketing efforts.
Now you know it. As we are going to work on this sales copy and this whole offer and make it convert to the masses, you, my friend, are going to get benefit from a 100% commission on the front end system. So while every other affiliate gets 50% commission, your commission will be 100% on the front end. But for the remaining upgrades, you will get 50% commission, and we will keep 50% to maintain the costs of managing the software, updating and upgrading it, just to keep our business running and to make sure you keep making 100% commission. Plus, on top of that, the AI tool I'm talking about, the tool that you will be playing with in order to make money, I will also request the owner of this tool to approve you as an affiliate. But hey, for this one, you will be getting 50% commission. So what is this AI toy that you are going to play with to make money? Before I show you the tool, let me explain how we make money. So we use AI. Using AI, we learn new skills and knowledge fast. Then we use our experience of using AI and the knowledge that we learned, and we make short form videos. And as you can see, I also make long form videos. Then we upload these videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. These platforms send us views to our videos. We make our videos so useful and valuable and entertaining, and we structure them in a way that the viewers of these videos go through an AI powered powered automated sales funnel. This sales funnel works as a money machine. It does the selling on our behalf. And when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. Now, in our program, the whole process is 99% done for you. The only challenging thing in our program are the videos. The only 1% job our members do is they make videos. But the benefit they get is that our program is a high ticket program. Our members get 50% commission for sales, so they get minimum $500 commission per sale. While we cannot offer you this, but we are helping you make money with this 100% commission and affiliate approval to this AI toy, plus giving you 100% done for you setup. Again, literally all you need to do is to play with this AI toy just to make money, and you do not need to do anything else. Our course will tell you how to play with the AI app. Weekly coaching and community will keep you in touch with us and answer any of your questions, doubts, and problems. Complete done for you setup removes all the friction of doing anything yourself. And the offer that we are working on to make money for us will make you money as well. Plus, this approval to promote this amazing AI tool will make you guaranteed money, inshallah. So what is this AI toy? This AI toy will help you make videos just by playing with AI and nothing else. So you will be using this AI video creation software. Just play with it and make crazy, amazing videos with it, according to how we guide you in our coaching program and help you with our community, and according to the niche where the customers are waiting to buy from you. Let's have a quick look at a demo.
In the shadows of the night, sometimes heroes emerge from the darkness. Sometimes a moment of vulnerability can lead to
I'm going to leave this link down below in the description, and you have to make sure that in order to avail the 100% done for you setup, you purchase the Fast Pass. And the price of the Fast Pass is $230. For this $230, you will get unlimited everything, all the upgrades. You do not need to purchase anything else. You will get the upsell 1, the upsell 2, unlimited upgrade, professional upgrade, enterprise upgrade, monetizer upgrade. All these features and benefits are included. There are tons and tons of bonuses that you don't really want to care about, because all you need to do is just play with this application, maybe half an hour to 1 hour per day. That is it. But here is an important note. When you click on this button, you will land on the checkout page. Go below and make sure at the bottom of the page you see the name Mosh Bari, and you see this number 2183. That's the only way to guarantee that you're going to get this 100% done for you setup. You will get access to all these exclusive access to our course, community, coaching, done for you setup, 100% commission to VidCloud, and affiliate approval to this software. Okay, a genuine question. If you get 100% commission for VidCloud, are you going to get a free access to it? Yes, my friend. You're going to get a full funnel, unlimited access to VidCloud to be able to host all your videos without ever paying for crazy monthly recurring fees for the video hosting services. Oh, and that brings us to the competition research we have done with Perplexity AI. I asked Perplexity that we are doing a market research to find the most optimum price for us and for our users. First, research on pricing models of all the most popular video hosting services, their features, put them in a table, and suggest the most competitive price, optimized for our profitability, yet lucrative and no-brainer for users based on the research for unlimited videos, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited lead generation, unlimited traffic, unlimited video plays, and all other unlimited features. And we got the complete report. Do you know what kind of price Perplexity AI is proposing us compared to the market prices, features, and benefits? Perplexity AI advised us for $24 a month for a limited tier and $45 a month for unlimited option. And it says that it's most optimized for us and for our customers. So basically, you are going to save $45 a month that we are going to charge to our VidCloud customers. You will never have to pay this ever again. Whatever videos you are going to make, get traffic and make money, you will also be able to host them in your own VidCloud account. Unlimited numbers for unlimited traffic for unlimited time. A complete 100% done for you business setup. All you have to do is to click the link below, then first purchase the main offer and then purchase. All you have to do is to click in the link in the description and first purchase the main offer and then invest in the fast pass. This will give you unlimited access to everything, all the OTOs, all the upgrades. And if you have any question, connect with me on Instagram or Facebook and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Was this video good? Do you think it solves two of your big problems? Saving money from video hosting, making more money from your videos, and actually solve your video creation problem with AI, and 100% done for you business setup with 100% commission of VidCloud sales. We're going to do all the hard work for your benefit and for our benefit. If you think this is awesome, like the video, share with your friends and family, and definitely subscribe to our channel. Switch on the notification bell button for getting notified when we upload our next one. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you in the next one.